Make a great choice today with the 2016 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, traction control, power liftgate, quad seating, Bose sound system, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, navigation system, all-wheel drive. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.